Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to turn off a VoiceOver on iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max. In order to do this, we will need to access settings. If you are in the home screen, then you can tap on settings once in order to select it, and then double tap in order to open it. Now, if you are not in the home screen and you need to go to the home screen, then you need to swipe with one finger from the bottom towards the middle, and you will need to hear to a tone that will be played once you swipe it. So if you hear the tone twice, then you can release the finger. I will try to demonstrate. I hope the microphone will catch it. There we go, it was twice. So this is how we can go back. And if you need to swipe to another page, then you need to use three fingers in order to swipe left or right. Sometimes it is quite inconvenient to swipe. Sometimes it might be difficult to do so. However, eventually you should be able to swipe. Now, let's go back to the settings, select accessibility, just tap on it once and then double tap in order to enter it. Then we will find the VoiceOver, tap and double tap. VoiceOver should be selected immediately. If not, then tap on it once in order to select it, double tap in order to turn it off. And that's pretty much it. Now we can use our iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max normally. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!